fingertip.com. Training you to look like an athlete without actually having to be one. Look like a pro athlete without actually having to be one. Basically though, what any of us want usually when we're involved in any kind of sport, whether it's recreational or even at a pro level, is grip strength. Grip strength allows us to do so many things, whether it's to grip a bat, hold on to a ball, make sure we don't let it go, make a save, whatever. You need to have grip strength, but I'm not a real big believer in wasting a lot of time, 30-45 minutes, a workout, or 20 minutes doing just grip specific stuff, because there's so many ways that you can strengthen your grip through the actual workout itself. So I developed a workout that I call a total body grip strength workout. It's really kind of cool. It's what I use with my guys. I want to show it to you right now. So the cornerstone starts with our push-ups. It's a fingertip push-up. Alright, so we're not going to start off up here. We're going to start with our fingers on the ground, build that intrinsic hand strength, build our forearm strength, get it up here like this, come down, straight down, and push up. Some people like to call these their Spider-Man push-up, like I'm shooting a web, but bottom line is, I'm not collapsing. I'm allowing the strength of my fingers, the strength of my hands to hold me up and get out. What I'm aiming for here, about 12, 15, if you want to take it to failure, but 12 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 sets, short rest on all these exercises. Again, about 30 to 60 seconds is really what I believe produces the most results. From there, we stand up. I got a pair of plates here. Now, I'm going to use real light weights here. I got 2.5 pound plates. But you can use 5, 10. I wouldn't even suggest more than 10, because it gets to be real hard, real quick. But what I call these are my plate squeezes. I use these with David Wright every single offseason to try to get him a little bit stronger in his hands while we work his shoulders. So I take 2 of the black plates, Olympic plates, with the shiny sides in, the flat sides in, so that we got a slippery surface here. You're going to hold it, again, through the palms of your hands. Fingers are going to stay off this time. And I want to work mostly on hand and forearm strength. So I'm squeezing these things. They want to slide apart. I get into a stance here, and I raise up. Okay, working my shoulders. Again, aiming for about 12 reps here, 15 reps, straight up. Again, I'm fighting to keep these things squeezed in, so I'm really activating the inner chest, the forearms, and the hand muscles to try to keep these plates squeezed together. These are 2.5. If I go up to 5 pounds, the battle is that much harder. Okay, for David, I have him hold him right here. Baseball player. My pitcher's right over there near the wall, and I have him get that bat into a position like he's going to swing. Okay? So, get left-handed hitter, bring it up this way. But really, you're torching your shoulders at the same time. Okay? From there, I go into a farmer's walk. I'm going to grab my 45-pound plates and add a little unique twist to it. These are nice because they have the handles on it, but we're not going to use those. Again, we want to strengthen our hands and grip strength. So we're going to grab outside of the handles. I want to be able to pinch these things and walk with them. Every couple of steps, we're going to walk, and we're going to stop and do a squat. So I'll walk down a little ways and walk back. But if you had about a straight run, you can keep walking straight and keep walking straight. What dictates the end of this exercise is grip strength failure. When you can't hold them anymore and you have to bail, that's when you stop the exercise. All right? So again, pinch through here, and walk. 2, 3, squat down, touch, walk, 2, 3, squat down, up, okay, back, 2, 3, down. Now let's say at this point, my left hand just goes, and I give, that's the end of my set. When you walk and you try to count your steps and see how far you can get in order to make that, count your rep. If you get 30 sets this time, next time you go through the workout, try to get yourself more than that. 2 to 3 sets, again, of those things to grip failure. Coming down to the ground now, I use kettlebells, and again, rather light. You've all seen the tricep extension exercises, where you're going to work a straight arm extension, like that. What I want to do, I want to work that hand strength again, so I want to keep my kettlebell straight the whole time. So here, down, and up. Okay? Really fighting the weight and the gravity of those kettlebells. It's not so hard here, so as I go back, that weight wants to drop and pull me out, okay? I don't want to allow that to happen. 2 to 3 sets, about 12 to 15 reps, 30 to 60 seconds rest in between. I come here to my last one. A little variation for the abs and for the back. I call this my hook pull-up. And if you see here the position of the fingers, they're just hooked. That's all I got. I'm not going to grab here. I'm going to hook here with my fingers, let myself come down, pull up, come down, curl. Okay? Pull up, come down, curl. Up. Again, fingers are hooks. Now that one, this last exercise of the whole workout, I take it to failure there. Whether or not it's going to be your abs that fail, your upper body that fails, we'll see. It varies for each person, but take that one, your last 2 to 3 sets to failure, see how long you can go. So that's a cool way to get your hand, finger, grip, forearm strength all in one while still getting an upper body workout, not having to spend 20-25 minutes just doing, the same boring old forearm exercises. So again, catch that and a lot more over at athletelean.com. You can click right below this and find out more. It's Jeff Cavalier signing off. I'll see you guys in a little while. See you later.